Elon Musk strides onto a rickety pirate ship hosting a space-age cooking show, cape blazing with rocket flames. He unveils a Mars pizza powered by solar panels while parrots recite launch codes and the deck erupts with applause. A wary captain asks for safety rules, and Elon blasts off memes that turn the deck into a neon comedy stage. The oven bursts into glittering stardust as pepperoni floats above the railing. With a wink, the ship slips through a wormhole and returns bearing a recipe for victory that tastes deliciously chaotic.